Today, we're going to take a look at creating fill-in-the-blank questions with Courseware. First things first, we're going to want to get our pictures to make our questions. To do this, go into Human Anatomy Atlas from your My Apps, and then just pick a view. I'm going to make one with this heart. Be sure to zoom in, not too far, so that you have a nice big picture of what you want to ask your question about. Next, I'll go into Draw in the Annotate menu and just start drawing. I like to use the arrows in the largest thickness for best visibility. I'm going to ask about this ventricle. After that, just close Annotate and download image. Now let's hop back into Courseware. Here in the quiz bank, let's make a new question. I'll select Short Answer from the drop-down, type out my question, and then just select my image. Then fill out the rest of the question as you would with any other. Now let's make a quiz with our fill-in-the-blank questions. I'll select a few, fill out my quiz as I normally would, and importantly, remember to uncheck the Randomize Question Order box. We'll need this later to grade it. Here in my Students account, I'm ready to take my quiz. These quizzes not only are a good way of testing your students' understanding, but also their spelling. And now we're ready to grade the quiz. We've found that when grading a fill-in-the-blank quiz, it's easiest if you open up a second tab. This way, you can keep all the questions to one side and check your students' answers on the other. And that's all there is to it.